everyone, it's Paul Yeager, and back with another video for viral Commando profits. First, if you're not used to these types of sites, which you may have found my ads through one, or you may have found my ads elsewhere, but after you've created your account, you just want to come over and log into your account. Nothing special there. Enter your username and password and log in. Now this is what I want to go over with. This right here is what's known as a login ad. It's just an ad that's going to show up whenever you log in. You can wait a few seconds and it'll redirect, or there is a link below it. You can just skip the ad. And these sites, and a lot of the sites you'll be signing up for, do have offers when you log in. You do not have to pay for anything. There's some great benefits to buying things through these sites, but if you're not interested, or you just want to get to the members area, just simply scroll to the bottom. On most sites it's on the bottom. Occasionally they'll put it in the middle somewhere. But most of the time, you just scroll to the bottom and there'll be a link to say no thanks. And sometimes you'll be presented once, twice, 3 times, maybe even 4 times with different offers upon logging into your accounts. Same thing, just scroll down. That time it was only 2. Earlier today I was in here and I had to say no thanks like 4 times before I could get to the member area. And it's pretty self-explanatory. Start here. A lot of people just look at this site and are like, oh boy, a place to advertise. And they just immediately just go and look for the advertising resource. And then they'll just leave and they don't realize what's actually here. To be honest with you, I was guilty too. I saw it as an ad site and I didn't pay a lot of attention to it until one day I did. Simple first thing, edit your details. You can upload a picture of yourself. This would be able to brand yourself on the site. Payment info. These are the methods of payment that they'll make because you can earn commissions through this site even if you're a free member. If you're an upgraded member, you earn a higher percentage commission. And that's all this is for. If you earn commissions, then they know where to send it. As soon as you reach $10, they will send your commissions to you. Right here, Viral Commando Profits ebook download. You should have received this in your email, but if not, yeah, you can click this and download the ebook. And then next, you got survival skills. And this is what I love about the site. It's a complete walkthrough. If you follow this and you watch the videos, this one right here is basically going to give a done-for-you campaign that you can use with the Traffic Wave autoresponder service, which I absolutely love because unlike Aweber, GetResponse, ActiveCampaign, and all the other popular ones, Traffic Wave, thus far, I've been a member and using Traffic Wave's autoresponder for, I guess, about a month or so. I overlooked it for so many years, but I've known about it forever. But thus far, every time I test my autoresponder with them, thus far, all of my confirmation emails, my welcome emails, follow-up emails, all hit in the inbox. And if you know how rare that is with most services, you know, like sometimes they'll go to the inbox, sometimes they're in the spam folder. some of the other services like to be in the spam folder constantly, and people ain't looking there. But yeah, sorry, I'm rambling now. Absolutely love Traffic Wave. Right here, she has a video tutorial and shows you exactly how to set up a campaign that will be tied to your Viral Commando Profits account, so that you have already follow-up emails done for you and everything. Myself, personally, I have a code myself. It is this one right here. If you're part of my team, I already have edited them for you, and you can, this number here is the series ID number. It's 453640, and the passcode is 34158. If you're a part of our 2020 Vision team, what I did was, in this video, she'll tell you you'll have to edit the emails or whatever. Well, I set it up so you wouldn't have to edit anything. And basically put a PS at the bottom of each email in the series. And you'll be able to have that link direct to your 2020 Vision Team capture page. I'll go into that more later, I guess. Kind of getting off the topic of this video. It's very simple. I'm on the hunt. Now, Viral Mail Profits is a system that you may or may not want to use. I use it sometimes. It's really nice because whenever you're trying to advertise, Viral Commando Profits will basically store your information, like your ad copy and your affiliate links and everything, so that you don't have to constantly go looking for them whenever you're trying to promote on safe lists, list builders, viral mailers, all that sort of email advertising. You can basically have all your info stored right in here. But if you just don't want it, you don't have to get it. But I think it's very helpful, and it's free. That's one thing great about the tools that we talk about in here. TE Command Post, another one you may or may not want to use. I like it because it's the traffic exchange version of Viral Mail Profits. You can store a lot of information in there. And they also have something called Commando Surfing, which she'll share with you as well in these videos, where you can earn bonus credits for surfing. But I mean, you can advertise completely free in these sites, or you can decide that you're going to purchase advertising in these sites and save time, or promote for free in some and pay in others. That's what I do. Not everybody has a budget for advertising, especially every single day. And it's dirt cheap whenever you're using these types of sites. The traffic is dirt cheap. You could spend like $2, $5, $10, even like $20 if you're buying advertising, but you don't have to. Simple go back link, keep track and go. Here she's going to get in detail about Hits Connect, where you can use to track your advertisements and stuff. And then a lot of people don't see that there's a next button below. And then we'll get into sorry, wrong one. Boot camp is next. 4 weeks, and basically it gives you a list of exactly what to do each day. And if you don't finish one day or something, just pick up where you left off. Not everybody has a lot of time. You just gotta go at your own pace. Even if day 18 takes you 3 days, so what? But I really like how she laid this out and gave you assignments and everything to help you along. And then add autoresponder. If you're using our traffic wave autoresponder service, right here you basically just enter your username for traffic wave and the name of your campaign, your nickname for your campaign, and then you simply update your traffic wave info. And what that does, it ties everything to Viral Commando Profits, so that if we go to affiliate tools, and you see I'll just click this link here. I'm branded, and someone enters their name and email, they go on my email list at Traffic Wave, and they get follow-up emails about Viral Commando Profits and whatever I put in the campaign. I'm sorry that this video is a bit extensive. I'm just trying to make it more clear to people, because a lot of people just miss all of this stuff. But all of these pages would then be tied to your autoresponder. And next, the core programs. These are basically your big tools. Like I said, you don't have to use these two, but they are very helpful. And choose your TEs. Now you see I have the backup here. See, I have affiliate IDs for each one of these things. And then traffic exchanges. I got affiliate IDs for each one. Don't worry about trying to sign up for all of them in one day or anything like that. Just as you get to them, go ahead and update your affiliate ID information. And here, safe list, same thing. Why are we putting affiliate IDs in this? Simple, because whenever you bring people here and they sign up under you in these and they're active users, even if they purchase advertising, you'll earn commissions from that. But if they do not buy any advertising from these sites whatsoever, you'll be able to earn free advertising credits, which is a really big help as you grow. And then tools, here's 2 more sites for additional advertising. And this setup advertising, this is for, and you see I still have some advertising I don't have used yet. But just continue along through everything in the site, and I think it'll prove to be very beneficial to you. And that's it for this video, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye for now.